Throughout the year, Vic roads have been actively replacing inefficient streetlights with LED technology and implemented a central management system to remotely monitor any lighting faults with minimal human intervention across the Melbourne metropolitan network. We've been upgrading lighting along freeways as well as some arterial roads across Melbourne, such as the Ringwood bypass. LED lighting is a sustainable technology that will reduce greenhouse gas emissions and also reduce operating costs by providing significant energy savings. This renewal project and many more are being supported by Victorian Government as part of the Greener Government Buildings program. This initiative provides the community and drivers with better visibility and reduces the number of road closures due to longer operational life of the LED lights.